How to hide mature content on Redbubble app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to hide mature content on Redbubble fast and easy. So first thing, go to Redbubble app. As you can see, this is the home page. Now if you want to hide the mature content, just go here down below, click on your account, and now you will find this option of hide mature content. You can disable it from here, as you can see, or you can turn it on as you want. And yeah, that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.